DJT stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Trump media stocks buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Right, I'm looking at this from a very bullish market, like 3% up for the day. I'm sticking to a strategy that I've refined over 3 years. 32,000, 4 years, 32,000 videos and thousands of dollars in course mentorships that I've done. And it's so simple, but like, I would love to see the second break here. Like I saw the first, yay. Second, I'm yet to see it, right? So it's between me buying and me waiting still is going to be that break. I mean, I'm not here to, so I'm not going to sit here and just trying to tell the universe where and when this is going to happen. So I'm just here to react. If it does, cool. If it doesn't, then it's also cool. I guess I'm not going to force anything. So that's how DJT looks like. Obviously, I'll only get involved if the price gives me the rules, and anything else is just after grabs, right? I'll just wait, man. Like, there's a lot of other ticker symbols. Quite literally, only 2 ticker symbols are in reds, but everything else is cool. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.